This video will explain the Cornell method of taking notes. The Cornell method is a strategy for taking effective, organized notes. While it originated at Cornell University, it is now widely used in many learning institutions. Step 1 is to set up your page. Divide your page into 3 sections: a left column, a right column, and a summary area at the bottom of your page. The format is often described as an upside-down capital T. The left column will be the Q column, the right column will be the Notes column, and the bottom section will be for your summary. Step 2 is to start with your Notes column. Take notes as you normally would, based on what the professor is saying and what you are seeing on PowerPoint slides or other visual aids that are being used. Step 3 is to fill in your Q column. Based on the notes you took in Step 2, go back and fill in your Q column. The Q column is meant to give you a quick reference to what this page of notes is related to. Use questions, key terms, and headings to help you quickly understand what the notes you took relate to. This is helpful when you need to review a whole semester of notes. You can quickly reference the area you need instead of reading through all your notes trying to find a specific section. Step 4 is to fill in your summary section. Summarize the notes from this page in 1 or 2 key learning outcomes. When you are reviewing your notes, this summary gives you a quick snapshot of the notes found on that page. Try the Cornell method to take more effective notes. Happy studying!